Hey guys, please hit that subscribe button. It helps me out an awful lot. And hit the like button if you like the video, and feel free to leave some comments. Thanks. So today we're going to make a jointed lure. Something a little different this time. Well, let's get to work. So I've drawn the rough shape out here on my piece of wood, and I'll cut it out. This particular lure is about 3 inches long. Make them whatever size you want. If you're going after really big fish, make a big lure. If you're going after small fish, make a small lure, so on and so forth. This is 3 inches. It's about 7.5 centimeters. It's going to be about a ½ an inch wide. Got the rough shape cut out now. Now it's time to do lots and lots and lots of sanding. I'm not a big fan of sanding. See you later. So here's my little piece. Started sanding it. Needs a lot more sanding yet, but I've started sanding it. What I'm going to do, this I've already taken about 1/8 of an inch off the length of this thing by sanding the front and the back here a little bit, which is fine. And what I'm going to do at this point, I will cut this. I'm going to come in at 1 1/4 inches from the front in and cut that from my joint. Once you put the joint in there, it's going to spread this apart a little bit anyway, so it's going to be longer. So I'll continue sanding this. I'm going to sand it mostly while it's together, so I'll get a nice uniform sanding. I'm afraid if I cut the two pieces and start sanding them separately, I'll get one a little too small or just not quite shaped in line with the other piece. Okay, so I've got it painted now, and this is going to be the tricky part. I've got to mark the very, very center of each of these. And then I'm going to take one of these little screw eyes here that's opened. And I'm going to screw it in there. I'm going to screw one on each end. And I'll be able to take these open screw eyes and hook them together and then squeeze them shut with pliers, and that's going to give me my joint. So I want to make sure I get that as close to the center of each of those as I can to get a good action. By Jove, I think I've got it. Now to put some eyes on it and clear coat it, get the hooks on there. all done and ready to go. Oops. Do that though. Yeah. Ta-da! That's it. Thanks for watching.